Hey everyone, you must have heard that Facebook marketing is changing the game. Do you want to make a big impact with your Facebook marketing? So let's get started with Facebook bulk messaging. They're short, attention-grabbing, and perfect for sharing. But what if you want to take it a step further? Well, now introducing Facebook bulk messaging. Imagine reaching all your potential customers with just one click. Yes, you can send bulk messages with image attachments. This is the future of Facebook marketing. Now, here's the best part. We have the best Facebook bulk message sender. It's affordable, more effective, and ensures direct contact with your potential customers. Say goodbye to expensive ad campaigns. Say hello to instant engagement and more conversions. Are you ready to transform your marketing strategy? Click the link and get started today. Because your success starts with a single message.